Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and today another tutorial that I want to share with you guys. I'm creating a video story for kids inside of Canva, ChatGPT, and 11 Labs. So I want to share with you guys that you can create your own animation story for your kids or for your students. If you're teaching like small kids, this is good for them because you can create your own animation that you know that kids like, right? So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that for free using Canva, ChatGPT, and 11 Labs. So without any further ado, let's go to my computer. All right, so first we're going to Google, and then you open the Canva, you open the ChatGPT and the 11 Labs. Okay, first I go to Canva, and we're going to create a video. So click this one, and then go to YouTube video. Okay, there you go. Click this one, and it will give us a blank page. So here is the blank page, and this is we're going to start working scene by scene that ChatGPT gave to us. All right. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. All right, so we're going to ask ChatGPT to create a moral story for kids into the animation that I can create using Canva, including the background of the story, script, and narration. All right, so once you finish with that, then click enter, and let's see what ChatGPT will suggest to us. All right, so here you go. So the title is The Little Seed's Big Dream, but you can also change this one, guys, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not gonna be picky for the story. All right, so here are the scenes. You see we have ChatGPT gave us a scene one, which is the introduction, and I said to create a background so that we can create a background animation inside of Canva. So here is the idea: a sunny garden with colorful flowers and blah blah. And here is the narration. So the scene 2 is the first challenge, waiting for the rain. All right, so we're going to create, I'm not going to create all of this, but I'm just going to show you guys the process of creating kid story animation using Canva, ChatGPT, and 11 Labs. So once I show you the scene 1 until maybe scene 2, so for the rest of the scene is the same process. So just follow step-by-step process and until you get used of it. All right, there are two ways that you can create an animation story. You can just copy this one and paste it to Canva, or you can create your own animation using the Canva elements. So the first way that you can create is just copy this one and then go to Canva, and here on the left side go to Magic Media, click this one, and here you describe what do you want to create, what background that you want to create. So the one that I copy in ChatGPT, I'm going to paste here. Then I will ask the magic image to create a background. So you can choose the style you want here. Click the see all. Yeah, they have the filmic, photo, high flash. So you can choose the style that you want for your animation. Since this animation, I might, like for example, I'm gonna choose the anime. Okay, so I'm gonna choose the anime, and then you ask okay, don't forget this one, since we're doing a video, so we want this into a landscape. And then once you've done with that, you're gonna generate the image. But be mindful, guys, that you have credits here. Once you finish all of these credits, you see this one, guys, so be mindful of that, don't waste it. That's the only cons that if you use this one. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys that you can use this way or the other way. Okay, so generate the image, and let's wait for seconds. All right, there you go. So you have these images. So now you can choose which image that you want. If you don't like any one of this, then you can generate again, but it will minus all one for your credits. Okay, so you can choose which one do you want. Like for example, you choose this one. What you're gonna do is just to drag it here. You can do this, or you can do the other way. Okay, which is we're going to elements. So we're going to find all three. Okay, and then let's click the graphics. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna use this one. Well, you can add other elements here, guys, if you want to. You can decorate more, but we're gonna do that later. I'm just showing you guys that you can do this or you can do this. it's all your choice. So there's two ways that you can do, but if you want to create of your own, well, we're going into this. All right, so let's go back to ChatGPT and see what's next. Patience. Okay, so maybe we can get some birds here. You can put some birds, say hungry birds. Let's get the just the keywords. Let's go for the graphics, but maybe we can get these two birds. You can make this a little bit smaller, guys, if you want, so they can just fly over here. So about the birds, guy, we want these birds to move, right? Like they're flying. So if you want to move any elements or any objects that you want to move into this scene, all you're gonna do is just to put where do you want to start these birds to move. All right, so I want this bird to start to move here. So I'm going to click this one, the animate, click the animate, and then create an animation. So we're going to create an animation to any elements or objects that you want to move. So create this one, and then you just get that element and drag it wherever you want it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you do that, since this is the bird. So I'm going to drag this bird over here, 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 there, and go until they go there. All right, so you can always adjust the movements. The style is in the original style. Then you can put in a smooth or a steady. So let's say smooth. And the speed of the bird. Okay, you can make the bird a bit faster. So I just did a little bit. Let's say if you put it on a steady. All right, there you go, right? So you can put as many as birds as you want. So we have the bird there. So let's move some flower here. Then I might put somewhere, maybe over here, just like that. And let's go to graphics. And you see the clouds. You just done. Then I'm gonna lay this one backward. Okay, if you want to layer this one, you send it backward, just like that. Then you can add more if you want to. This is the first animation that we did, like this one, but you can, even though you choose this one, you can also add more elements into this. Okay, like for example, birds. Okay, let's say birds, you go there, and from here they're going to fly. So I'm going to animate these birds, guys. So what you're gonna do here is to from here you're going to click the animation, this one, and then click create animation, and then we're going to drag this bird somewhere, wherever you want, just like that. All right, there you go. Right, you can do both ways if you want to. And then we're going back to ChatGPT. We're going to do the voiceover. Okay, so I'm gonna copy all of this, and then now is the time that we need to go to 11 loves. Okay, go to 11 loves. Okay, so here is my dashboard. So I'm going to do the text to speech if you want to, the voice changer here. The voice changer is you're going to upload a voice, or you want to record your own voice. So it's all up to you. But I'm going to use the voices. Since I already cloned my voice, create or clone a new voice, you can do that if you want to use your voice. And then if you want to use your own voice, then you can just click here and click use. All right, so I'm going to paste here the one that we copied in ChatGPT for the background narration. So now you go generate speech, and let's see how it sounds like. All right, so here is the generate speech, and if you don't want to use your own voice, then you can go to the voices, guys, and then you can choose the voice that you like. Okay, so I'm going to choose Serena. Let's generate the speech from Serena.
This is a heartwarming story about a tiny seed who dreams of growing into a tall tree.
So once you're good with this, guys, with this voiceover pre-made by Serena, then you can go down here, guys, and click this arrow to download. Here in Canva, you're gonna click the upload. And since that is audio, you click the audio and click upload file. So I see. Okay, so I name it scene 1. So I'm gonna click this one and open it. But now you see it's uploading. So I'm gonna drag this one here at the bottom of this. You can use any one of these. You can just make this a little bit longer. Okay, let's play with this.
This is a heartwarming story about a tiny seed who dreams of growing into a tall tree. Despite the challenges it faces, like being ignored, a storm, and a hungry bird, it learns that with patience, effort, and belief in itself, it can achieve great things. The story teaches children the values of perseverance, self-belief, and kindness.
Okay, so now once we finish this one, I want to put some background music. Okay, so to put background music in this, so you just click the audio and click some, let's say, narration background. Alright, so here are the music that we can use. So I'm going to put this one a little bit here from the beginning, stretch this out, and you can always, here adjust the volume. If it is too loud, here's the volume. Then adjust the volume a little bit. Alright, because we have a narration, so we're going to volume down.
This is a heartwarming story about a tiny seed who dreams of growing into a tall tree. Despite the challenges it faces, like being ignored, a storm, and a hungry.
Alright, so the voiceover also, you can adjust, guys, the volume if you want to. If it is too loud, then hear it. But it's 100%. So you can play with that, guys. I'm just showing you that you can do all of that over here. And for the sounds, it's over here too. Alright, so you can also put some kids there. Right, there you go, guys. Then maybe you can add this one over here. Somebody, you can put this key over here. Something like that. Okay, then let's put this bird, the hungry bird. Okay, let's put the bird over here. I'm gonna flip this bird because I want to animate this one, guys. So to flip this one, go click the flip horizontal, and then I'm going to animate this bird from here. There you go. Alright, so this is the scene one. It takes time, right, guys? But I'm going to edit more on this. So if you want to make this a little bit more, colorful, attractive, you can keep playing and add a lot of elements, so you know where to get the elements right here. So you know how to animate here. Click here and just do the animation and drag it wherever you want. And looks like,
This is a heartwarming story about a tiny seed who dreams of growing into a tall tree. Despite the challenges it faces, like being ignored, a storm, and a hungry bird, it learns that with patience, effort, and belief in itself, it can achieve great things. The story teaches children the values of perseverance, self-belief, and kindness. Once upon a time, in a lively garden, there was a little seed with a big dream.
Alright, so that's all for today's, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the tutorial. I'm still working on it, and that's how I'm creating my own animation story that I use Canva, ChatGPT, and 11 Loves for free. So if you want to try, guys, try it, and you know what your kids love, what your kids like, then you can create your own animation using Canva with the help of ChatGPT, or you can use your own voiceover. Okay, so just follow the step from the scene 1 to the scene 2. It depends on how long the ChatGPT give you the scene, or it depends on the story. The same process. Okay, so like what I've shown you, you can create your own animation story, or whatever you wanted to create with the help of ChatGPT. Just go to Canva and you see the elements. There's so many elements there that you can use to create your own animation. All right, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you have any questions, just write down the comments, and I'm always reading the comments, so I'll get response to you as soon as possible. And for those who are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe before you leave. And to all my subscribers, always thank you so much for all your support all the time. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. See you next time. Bye for now.